Hey dear folks, I'm Zia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2018 Nissan Teana Smart Key.
We need to prepare K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key and a new key produced by Lonsdor. First, plug in OBD communication cable. The first step is to generate smart key. Find Nissan Teana. Select the menu for 2015-2018. Put the Nissan Smart Key produced by our Lonsdor into the card slot. Click Generation. Generate successful. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Find Nissan. From Vehicle. Asia. Teana. Select after 2013. Smart Key. Program Smart Key. Turn off the ignition switch and turn on the emergency lights. OK. All keys will be deleted. Click OK. Don't step on the brakes. Press and hold the start button until the ignition switch is turned on. Complete OK. Turn off the ignition. OK. The first key. Logo position. Click the start button. Stick it on the start button and hold it for 10 seconds until the security light illuminates 5 times. Finish. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. OK. The programming is completed. Does it program the next one? Click OK. The second key is operated in the same way. Finish. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. OK. Program complete. No need to program next one. Click Cancel. Operate the first key according to the above method until the buzzer goes off a few times. Finish. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. OK. Program complete. OK. Now let's try it. Can the key drive normally? First key, step on the brake and press the start button. The first key to start the car successfully. Second key, step on the brake and press the start button. The second key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. The first key locks the car. Unlock. The second key locks the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2018 Nissan Teana. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more spread ahead.